In the attic of an old Victorian house, a dusty, antique typewriter sits silently, untouched for decades, waiting for someone to awaken its dark secret. Legend says that anyone who types on this cursed machine begins losing memories, erasing parts of their past with every keystroke, like a terrifying trade-off. One night, a curious writer found the typewriter and started typing a chilling story, only to realize he couldn't remember his own name or where he came from. As the night deepened, the words on the page became stranger and darker, and the writer's memories slipped further away, swallowed by the machine's sinister hunger. When dawn broke, the writer vanished without a trace. Only the typewritten pages remained, filled with cryptic sentences no one could decipher. Some say the typewriter waits for its next victim, silently craving memories to consume. But is this just a story, or did it really happen? The truth is lost.